Bamboo has the characteristics of wide distribution and fast growth. The biomass fuel particles processed from bamboo have a low calorific value of 4,400–4,500 kilocalories per kilogram and ash content of 0–1%. Fuel particles made from this material are suitable for use in fireplaces and stoves. What are the key steps in making bamboo pellets into fuel? The first step is to break the whole bamboo into small pieces with a crusher.
Tyrannosaurus crusher is a crushing and crushing equipment developed by Yulong Company, with simple operation, high production capacity and high quality of crushing particle size. It can be used for crushing bamboo, trees, building templates, wooden pallets and other materials.
The second step is to use the dryer to dry the bamboo to the range of 10 to 15% moisture. Drum dryer is a widely used drying equipment. The hot air enters the dryer barrel from the hot blast stove, the material enters from the feed port, the material is raised by the material raising plate in the dryer, and then the hot air contacts the material and takes away the water in the material. In the third step, the bamboo is further crushed by an efficient mill to meet the requirements of granulation.
Yulong Company research and development of efficient grinder with single shaft, double shaft 2 series, high efficiency, large output. Both sides can open the door design, easy to replace the screen, low maintenance cost.
The fourth step, with a pellet machine to prepare the material into particles. Yulong vertical centrifugal high-efficiency ring mold pellet machine combines the advantages of traditional horizontal ring mold and flat mold pellet machine, especially suitable for biomass pelleting. The mold is made of stainless steel with high wear resistance and vacuum quenching. Ultra-high-speed gun drill holes of high finish. The mold is wearable and easy to use. The surface of the press wheel adopts robot surfacing welding wear-resisting material, which greatly improves the life of the press wheel.
The main shaft is thickened by 15%, and the new high-stiffness bearing structure is adopted. Compared with the previous generation of machine, the bearing capacity is doubled, and the failure rate of the particle machine is reduced.
Shandong Yulong, 24 years to serve 10,000 customers, is committed to creating maximum value for customers.